Ka Central Executive Committee jong ka UDP, Elekshon ka jingyalang mentang kat santre unai wing arajar apoi, banya peliu jing mud ban klanya ka parti syaki Shillong ki tau hamman la ki district baper kum shi benta ban kret na ka benta ki election ka ban sawan ha usnem arajar apolai ban job bon ki kertong na ka seng UDP. Habakran kilap naik kubor hadirin balawai ka jingyalang u General Secretary ka UDP Dr. Jemino Mautho ulay tuho baka parti kadon ka Kyrmen baha ka election hajar apulai ka UDP kan job bon seat bat ula pentip ya ka office jong UDP and suppletion.
I hope that there's going to be a change this time. We have been with different political parties as partners in the government, and we have been accused of being team B to Congress, team B to NPP and all that. But I hope that this time around it's going to be different, and I hope with the strengthening of the party and choosing the right candidates, from different constituencies, we'll be able to win more seats this time, and we hope that UDP will lead the government in 2023.
Can we say that the UDP will...
We're happy to inform you also that the office building of the UDP is nearing its completion, and we hope to have the inauguration of the new office building maybe in the month of December or January. And one thing which I would like to inform is that we've not had an office building for so many years. Right from the time of APHLC, it must have been more than 50 years. And after that the HPU, and now the UDP. And we have not had an office building, a proper office building for so many decades altogether, for so many years. And we're happy now that the construction of the office building is nearing its completion, and we'll be having the inauguration most probably in the month of December or January.
Will the party